Welcome back. The file upload area here in ChatGPT now has available to it what is called Vision. That means that if we upload an image or a diagram here in ChatGPT, ChatGPT can use its AI to determine the content and the significance of what you have uploaded. For example, we have uploaded 3 images. We are now going to ask ChatGPT first to describe the image and then to describe their significance. So as you can see, ChatGPT will be able to determine what is happening in your image, as well as to answer your query about the entire image. We can also upload an MP4 video. We can ask the same question. So once we've uploaded the image, we can turn on search, and we can then ask more specific questions. Now, in this particular case, ChatGPT did not get the platform correct, but it did make a guess that is close. We can toggle the search back off. We can attach more files. We can upload more images. We can then toggle on search, and we can ask more up-to-date and specific questions. So you can upload images. You can then toggle on search to get up-to-date information about the images that you have uploaded. Okay, so thanks, and I will see you in another video.